How to turn off autoplay videos on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Viber. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Viber app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the more option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just tap on the settings option. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you can do is you can just tap on media. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as autoplay videos. So here, if you want to turn it off, you can just tap on it and uncheck that option. And that's it. With this, the autoplay options will be turned off. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.